Hi, I'm Beth Gittleman, a licensed real estate professional. Today we're going to talk about whether or not renovating an apartment will remove it from rent stabilization. Now, depending on what state you live in, this can change. In New York, a landlord can renovate an apartment and raise the rent in a certain increment based on the dollar value of the renovations that they make. If in doing the renovations, the rent goes over the level of which rent stabilization is governed by, meaning some apartments it's $2,000 or $2,500 a month, if the legal rent goes over that threshold, then it can be destabilized. But a lot of times landlords are just trying to increase that rent as much as they can so that between you and the next two tenants, they can remove that apartment from rent stabilization and charge a more fair market value for that unit. So it doesn't necessarily take the apartment out of rent stabilization, but it could.